Hello, J&M Review here, and today I'm reviewing this free sample provided by Dearmay. So it is a beautiful necklace, and it's a cross, as you can see here. This is a gold cross necklace, so it's 14K gold field. This is how it looks, and this is the cross. It's made of cured zirconia. So this is where it closes, as you can see here. It's just beautiful. This makes a perfect gift for birthday, for Christmas, for graduations. This is how it looks here for me. Look, it's very delicate. You can wear it in different occasions. Very casual, very nice. I like it. It's very soft. Um, it looks just amazing. You can match it with your favorite earrings. They have so much beautiful crosses. I hope you check them out, and thank you for watching my video.